Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Halo Mini on a brand new fully electric Kia Niro. Customer's super paranoid about this proximity key, and obviously they stole his neighbour's car last night. So he wanted something fitted on here. So how the system works, I'm not sure if it's armed or disarmed. Let's just open the door. It's already armed, so if I try and start it now, you'll see that as soon as I go to start it, the vehicle will start, the car will go to ready, but if I try and put it in gear, it just keeps on going back into park. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to insert the code, and if you watch carefully, I think it was tap, 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 indicator flash, system's disarmed, we're able to put it into gear, it's gone to drive, we're able to drive away, okay? If the customer wants to place it into valet mode, this is also very, very simple. So let's just arm the system. System is armed. So to place it in valet mode, very important, do not start the vehicle. So tap for accessory, tap again for main ignition. Insert the code, and on the last press hold for 15 to 20 seconds. So tap, 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 tap. We've got an indicator flash to confirm it's disarmed. If you keep on watching carefully, it will give us 5 flashes, give us the handshake to say it's going into valet mode. There you go. So when I turn off the start button, open the door, there you go, it's completely not there. Okay, so I'll start the vehicle and I'll be able to select a gear. They're going to reverse straight into drive, okay? When we get the vehicle back, just repeat the same thing again. Do not start it. So tap the start button once without your foot on the brake for accessory. Tap again for main ignition. Insert the code and hold. Tap, 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 tap. It's covert now. It didn't give us a flash because in valet mode. Give it about 15 seconds again, and you'll see it will come out of valet mode by confirmation of flashes. There you go. It's now come out of valet mode. So when I turn the start button off, open the door, system is armed. Okay. If we wanted to change the code, this is very, very simple. And the way you would do that is main ignition on, without your foot on the brake, pass authorization to disarm the system first. So tap, 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 system is disarmed. Then tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, we've got a flash. We're now in learn mode. So I'm gonna go tap, 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 start button off. Confirmed, we've got to do that within 5 seconds. Open and close the door, system will be armed. Let's try and start it. Try and put it in gear. There you go, keeps going apart. Let's just insert the code. Let's hope I haven't forgotten. Tap, 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 tap. That's the code. We're able to drive away. As I said, this is the Halo Mini fitted to a brand new, fully electric Kia Niro. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.